This PDF provides step-by-step instruction on how to crochet Florena 2 cardigan. In this project, I used yarn Metallico by Hobbii, categorized as medium group 4. Exactly the same yarn is named Melody by YarnArt. And I used a hook size 5 mm. Before you begin the project, I would recommend crocheting a swatch sample. The hook size is only a suggestion. Adjust your tension by using different hook sizes. If you have too many stitches per 10 cm, use a larger hook size or create a looser tension. If you have too few stitches per 10 cm, use a smaller hook size or create a tighter tension. If you're unsure what I'm talking about, please watch my previous video where I showed a swatch sample made by using 3 different hook sizes and how the swatch sample changes in its size. All my YouTube videos are linked to my website, and it may be easier to find the right tutorial video via web. This pattern was written using UK and US terms on different pages. Make sure your tension is 14 treble crochet in width and 8 treble crochet in length UK terms, and 14 double crochet in width and 8 double crochet in length US. Work required amount of stitches according to your size. You can follow written instruction together with 2D diagram. Here you can see chains, rows, row 1, row 2, and so on. In this video, I will cover part 1, 6 rows only. The next video will be part 2 from row 7 to row 13 included, followed by other videos. First, we create a slip knot and work the required amount of chain stitches according to your size. When chaining up, the best thing is to use stitch markers every 10 stitches or every 20 stitches. Just a reminder, we never count stitch on the hook. Also, when you are chaining up, make sure your chain stitches are not too tight. You should have the total required amount of 97, 105, 113, 121 or 129 chain stitches according to your size, plus additional 3 chain stitches to begin the new row.
Work 1 treble crochet UK terms or 1 double crochet US terms into a stitch from the hook, and then work 1 treble crochet UK terms or 1 double crochet US terms into each stitch to the end of the row. When you complete row 1, you should have in total required amount of stitches of 97, 105, 113 or 129 treble crochet UK terms or double crochet US terms. Of course, it's according to your size.
Remember, 3 chain stitches at the beginning of the row will be always counted as 1 treble crochet UK terms or 1 double crochet US terms. Here you can see the chain stitches in the first row have been completed. I would recommend to count all your stitches in the first row once again.
After completing a row 1, you chain 1 stitch and turn your work, or you turn your work and chain 1 and work 1 double crochet UK terms or 1 single crochet US terms into a second stitch from the hook. After that, you chain 4 and work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns into a 4th stitch. Chain 4 and work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns into 4th stitch. Chain 4 and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns into 4th stitch. Chain 4 and work 1 treble crochet UK or 1 double crochet US into 4th stitch, chain 4 and work 1 single crochet US or 1 double crochet UK into 4th stitch. Repeat the pattern. Finish row number 2 with one single crochet US or one double crochet UK into chain stitch from previous row. To begin row number 3, we need to chain 6, work one double crochet into the treble crochet stitch from previous row, chain 3, work one double crochet into the same stitch, chain 3, work one treble crochet into the double crochet stitch from previous row, chain 3, and we are repeating the pattern. These UK terms and US terms, we have to chain 6, work one single crochet into double crochet stitch from previous row, chain 3, work one single crochet into the same stitch, chain 3 and work one double crochet into a single crochet stitch from previous row, chain 3, and we are going to repeat the pattern. I will chain 3 stitches at the end of the row 2. I turn my work around. Going to work in 2 stitches, skip all the chain stitches, chain 3 because in total we have to chain 6 stitches, and work one double crochet UK or one single crochet US into the stitch, chain 3, and work one double crochet UK or one single crochet US into the same stitch, chain 3, and work one treble crochet UK or one double crochet US into the stitch, chain 3, and repeat the pattern. We have completed row number 3. To begin row number 4, chain 1, one double crochet UK or one single crochet US into second stitch from the hook, work 3 times double treble around the loop UK terms, and work 3 times treble around the loop US terms. Chain 2 and repeat the pattern. Chain 1, one single crochet US or one double crochet UK into second loop from the hook, yarn over twice, insert into the loop, yarn over and pull once, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over again through, pull another 2 loops, yarn over and pull through last 2 loops, yarn over twice into the loop, pull once, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Repeat once again. Now we have completed 3 double treble UK terms and 3 treble US terms. We have to chain 2 and create another 3 double treble crochet UK terms and 3 treble crochet US terms. After completing a half flower, skip 3 chain stitches and insert a hook into a stitch and crochet 1 double crochet UK terms or 1 single crochet US terms. Repeat the pattern. After completing row number 4, it should look like that. To begin row number 5, you need to chain 3 and work 1 treble crochet UK terms or 1 double crochet US terms into each stitch. Work 1 treble crochet UK or 1 double crochet US around 2 stitches and chain 2 and work 1 treble UK or 1 double US around 2 stitches again, and work 1 treble UK or 1 double US into 1 stitch into the next 3 stitches and repeat the pattern. To begin the new row, you can chain at the end of your work 3 stitches and turn your work. Now we will have to work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns into each stitch. And work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns around 2 stitches, chain 2 and work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns around the same 2 stitches, and work 1 treble crochet UK turns and 1 double crochet US turns into another 3 stitches. I would recommend always count your stitches. When you come to the end of the row, make sure you finish with 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns into a last stitch. We nearly came to the end of the part 1. We have to crochet last row. To begin the row, you need to chain 8 stitches and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns around 2 stitches. After, you have to chain 5 and work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns between 2 stitches. And we have to repeat the pattern. To begin this row, you have to chain 8 stitches, skip 4 and work one single crochet US turns and 1 double crochet UK turns around 2 stitches. Chain 5, skip 4 stitches and work 1 treble crochet UK or 1 double crochet US between 2 stitches. Chain 5, skip 4 and work 1 single crochet US or 1 double crochet UK around 2 stitches, chain 5, skip 4 and 1 treble crochet UK or 1 double crochet US between 2 stitches. Repeat the pattern. At the end of the row, chain 5, skip 4 and work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns into a chain stitch from previous row. After completing row number 6, your work should look like that. And well done for finishing part 1. Next part will be part 2 from row number 7 to row number 13 included. Here you can see a final piece, part 1, we just completed, and next we are going to do part 2. Thank you for watching and following my instruction. I see you in my next video.